Welcome to Hakuna Matata Lodge, where tranquility meets nature's embrace. Nestled along the serene shores of Lake Kivu, our lodge invites you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in the beauty of Rwanda's breathtaking landscape. Surrounded by the calming sounds of birds chirping and the gentle rustle of leaves, Hakuna Matata Lodge offers a sanctuary for the soul. Here, time seems to stand still as you unwind and reconnect with nature. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family retreat, or simply a moment of serenity, Hakuna Matata Lodge caters to all. Savor the flavors of Rwanda with our delectable cuisine, crafted from fresh, locally sourced ingredients, African and European cuisine. Dine al fresco as you soak in the breathtaking views of Lake Kivu, where every meal is a feast for the senses. Welcome to Hakuna Matata Lodge, where every moment is a celebration of nature, serenity, and the joy of living life without worries.